The fascinating world of 3D printing. Unleashing creativity one layer at a time. Welcome back, dear viewers. Today, we are diving into the captivating realm of 3D printing, a revolutionary technology that has taken the world by storm. From prototyping to manufacturing, it has reshaped industries and empowered individuals to bring their wildest imaginations to life. Join us as we explore the wonders of 3D printing, its applications, and the future it holds. If you're as excited as we are, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell, so you never miss a captivating journey into the world of technology. Now, let's get started. Understanding the basics. 3D printing, also known as additive manufacturing, is a process of creating three-dimensional objects layer by layer, rather than subtracting material like traditional methods. It all begins with a digital 3D model, often created using computer-aided design, CAD, software. The 3D model is sliced into thin horizontal layers, which are then sent to the 3D printer. Types of 3D printing technologies. There are several 3D printing technologies available today, each with its unique approach. Some of the most popular ones include fused deposition modeling, FDM, stereolithography, SLA, selective laser sintering, SLS, and digital light processing, DLP. Each technology has its pros and cons, but they all share the common ability to bring digital designs into tangible reality. Applications of 3D printing. The applications of 3D printing are virtually limitless. It has revolutionized industries such as aerospace, healthcare, automotive, fashion, and architecture. Manufacturers use 3D printing to rapidly prototype products and even produce end-use parts. Medical professionals benefit from 3D printed prosthetics and implants tailored to each patient. Artists and designers explore new creative possibilities, and hobbyists create custom-made gadgets and toys. It's a technology that empowers innovation across various domains. The materials behind the magic. 3D printing wouldn't be possible without a wide range of materials. From standard plastics like PLA and ABS to advanced materials like carbon fiber composites and metals, the choices are vast. Some printers can even use food-safe materials, making it possible to print intricate chocolates and pastries. As technology advances, we can expect even more groundbreaking materials to emerge. Getting started with 3D printing. If you're eager to embark on your 3D printing journey, you'll need a few essentials to get started. Firstly, you'll need a 3D printer. There are various options available, ranging from affordable consumer-grade printers to more advanced industrial machines. Do your research and choose one that suits your needs and budget. Next, you'll need 3D modeling software to create your designs. Don't worry, you don't need to be a professional CAD expert. There are user-friendly software options available, some of which are even free. You can find many online tutorials to help you get started with 3D modeling. Once you have your 3D model, you'll need to prepare it for printing. This process involves slicing the model into layers using slicing software specifically designed for your 3D printer. The slicing software generates the instructions that the printer will use to build the object layer by layer. After the preparation, it's time to load the 3D printer with the chosen material and begin the printing process. Sit back and watch as your creation takes shape before your eyes. Embracing 3D printing in education. 3D printing has become an invaluable tool in the field of education. It offers a hands-on and interactive learning experience for students of all ages. From elementary school to university, educators use 3D printing to explain complex concepts, foster creativity, and prepare students for future careers in design, engineering, and manufacturing. Incorporating 3D printing into the curriculum not only makes learning fun but also empowers students to bring their ideas to life. Imagine students designing and 3D printing their own prototypes, enhancing their problem-solving skills, and turning abstract concepts into tangible objects. The open source community and sharing knowledge. One of the most remarkable aspects of the 3D printing community is its open source nature. Enthusiasts, hobbyists, and experts from around the world come together to share knowledge, designs, and improvements. This open exchange of information accelerates innovation and ensures that the technology benefits everyone. Online platforms like Thingiverse and MyMiniFactory host an incredible array of 3D printable designs that are free to download and use. So, whether you want to print a practical tool or a work of art, chances are someone has already shared a design for it. Challenges and future outlook. Despite its incredible potential, 3D printing faces some challenges, such as speed, scalability, and material limitations. However, researchers and innovators are actively working to overcome these hurdles. The future of 3D printing holds tremendous promise, from the potential to 3D print human organs for transplants to constructing houses on demand in remote areas. The possibilities are awe-inspiring, and as the technology becomes more accessible, we can expect it to transform various aspects of our lives. As we conclude this captivating exploration of 3D printing, we hope you've gained a deeper understanding of this groundbreaking technology and its limitless possibilities. From creating complex medical devices to empowering students and embracing a more sustainable future, 3D printing is transforming our world, one layer at a time. If you're already a part of the 3D printing community, keep pushing the boundaries of innovation. And if you're just beginning your journey, remember that every great creation starts with an idea and a single layer. So, go ahead, dream big, and bring your ideas to life through the magic of 3D printing. Thank you for joining us on this adventure. If you found this video informative, don't forget to give it a thumbs